Hey, so keep checking that on is working. Hello? The audio is working? Okay. Um, Share the screen rules from where we left earlier today. So, or so earlier today, we connected our messaging between our background script and our pop-up, so we could always get, I guess, the measurement and the total, and I guess um the intake amount. So we know how much to increase it by. It'd be 100 milliliters each time, and that gives us a good starting point for most of it. I mean, all we need to do is like implement a goal, and then setting up alarm to trigger on like maybe every hour or whatever interval a user selects, which we haven't considered yet, and then notifications to show a notification maybe when the alarm rings, or maybe I don't know. It's a dual purpose. Do you want an alarm or do you want a notification? Maybe both. Something to consider, but not right now. What we want to focus on now is just trying to get this to match. So we want this water level or something to match the height of, yeah, match the height of the pop up, I guess, really. So somehow, oh, we need a goal. See, that's the problem. So let's go back to our background. Let's add a goal measurement or whatever. Let's say how much is like 8 cups of water. Let's say 8 cups of water in milliliters, I guess. 1800. Let's say if its goal is 1800 milliliters. If we're basing on milliliters, yeah. So then we go back to our store. We call populate. Let's set this and this dot goal is equal writable, and so type number are undefined at the beginning. And here we should be able to get our goal value and this dot goal equals goal. And so let's have setters for goal as well. replace total with goal. Ooh, and same with get. I guess we need to probably get the goal value. Like, how are we going to use it in here? So we have a pop up. Yeah, that's fine because it refreshed, it reloaded the background script. So that means the data was reset to zero and stuff. That's fine. So, so you probably want this to match this height. Where do we have it at? So goal percent. So it'd be to match. Yeah, let's try. Let's get the goal. Why do I keep spelling goal that way? Let's have the width to be, I guess, percent. How does that one work? Mm, I think that's how you said the custom. Or not width. This would have to be the height. What is this actually? Oh, this is the button. Ah, reset this. Oh, I want. Okay, so I want. I guess let's have a different div actually. Class equals flags, and it's going to be absolute, and it's going to be bottom 0, and the background is going to be uh, whatever is in this blue color, and height width. So what's going to be full, and height is going to be, let's say, let's start with 1/2, right? And that's how, so that position has to be like, oh no, can you put a negative Z value? I don't know if you can. But we want it to be below everything. Oh yeah, you can. Okay, so we put it below, and we don't have to worry about this. Remove this. 8 1/2. Wait, what is this? Okay, okay. Maybe it doesn't have to be like this. We need to somehow have this. Wait, so how do I get that? It was closer before. App it's not like let's inspect. So see where we're going off. So fabric elements there. Oh, okay, no. We still want this to be where does it start? Ooh, wait a minute. This how tall is this thing? Okay, this is 300 by 92, and this is what? 164. So that's why it's showing doesn't show as much. It should show it's larger than the width. What if I just move it outside of the name? That doesn't work. Yeah, no, yeah, maybe it's not supposed to be at the bottom zero. Let's try remove this class. Now we're making this larger than it should be. This doesn't seem like it's half of the width of that. Something's already larger than that. 150, yeah, 150 maybe should be here. Maybe it's supposed to be larger. Okay. Um, so height. Let's try removing this and see where this places us. And let's go height. Let's go 3/4 maybe, or 5/6. It's a even less. It should okay. Only okay, let's make this relative. Maybe one of them has to be relative to main, right? Okay, height. I'm missing something. This side's too big. I need this out of the flow of the regular. I need this. Dude, what? It's there. Okay, why is it there? So let me see if I can put it at. Oh, okay, so how do I do this? Oh, this is not showing up. Where is it showing? It has no height. So if I set a height 150 pixels, still not showing. Oh, it is showing, but how come the background is not? Yeah, let's drag background. Okay. Oh no, wait. So let me try this. Change this background to transparent because it's below it, right? That's why it's not. Let me edit attribute transparent. Oh, there it is. There it is. All right. That was my mistake. Okay, so or I can just leave it off. But let's make it transparent and let's go like one half. Okay, that's good. The issue is where is this why is why is not starting at the bottom? Border. But is this border? Okay, I think it's probably this border. Um, P4. Okay, let's try P4 and then PB 0, or or yeah, I guess it works, but the buttons themselves have to. You know what? Let's put the P4 here, and then P bottom 0, and here P bottom maybe like 2. Oh no, P4. No, oof, it's even worse. Okay, something off. Okay, that's adding bottom 0. No, this needs to be absolute at 0 instead of making it maybe put it at fixed at bottom. Okay, there it is, fixed. And let's see, change the height to 3/4. Okay, it's getting there. I just noticed that this gray color is not going to be good. Like if we go full, I would don't need this. Just adding extra height to the, yeah. That gray color needs to change to maybe something darker. Looks gray 500. This is 700 maybe. Change it to like a white. I think there's like a snow text. Snow, I want to say. No, it says snow. Wait. Yeah, we can go with that. Change this to 500. Let's see what. No, 400. Ooh, it needs to be like snow, like a whitish color. Um, worrying about contrast, especially. Okay, so this. Okay, so here's where we have to do conditional class. If it, if because if you, it's like say at 1/2 right now, right? It's gonna be barely seeable. So you want it to be. You want to check our based on the So a class based on what is a goal. We want class text slate maybe like 600 if our goal is greater than or equal to, let's say, 75%. It looks about, let's go 60%. And let's try. So, right, one half. Let's go. There's, yeah, let's go 2/3. That's greater than 60%. No, we want it to be, oh no, it's opposite actually. We want this to be 600 and we want to change this to like a white color when it's above. Oh, it's gonna be greater than, let's say, 70%, maybe. Let's go 75. Yep. No? Okay, when do we need it to be at? I this no, when does it cover it? Okay, when it's uh, hmm, 'cause we want it if it's a below, even in the middle of. Okay, so if it's greater than 60%, change it. Maybe I want it to be a no. How does this work? Yeah, we want it to be dark until it goes into the blue, till the height, until water covers it, I guess. And then we want it to be light, the light color. I think that makes sense. So, okay, let's change this to. Okay, no, no, let's use this to do it. Oh, great. Oh, our goal. Oh, no, it's not based on our goal. So let's say our current value, sorry, our total is greater than, ooh, no, let's say our total is greater than, okay, let's create another unit, I guess, to get our, it's not derived value, but I guess it kind of is something to subscribe to. Let's say goal met. I mean, no, let's say, okay, record this through. Let's see. Okay, reached, reached, no, okay, let's call it water level, I guess, water level. Water level would equal to, no, that water level is referring to the total. If total is greater than, how does this work? It doesn't matter what it total is. Okay, water level 3/4, water level 3. You can't use that. So water level 75. No, water, let's go water level 60. So that would be when store measurement. That work? Store dot measurement. No, not measurement. Store dot total divided by no store dot, yeah, store dot store dot goal. So if we get this divided by this times 100 and we parse the int, right? Or base 10. We only want the integer value really. Okay, so these two values could be zero. Let's so store dot value or zero. And you can divide zero by zero. Zero by zero is still zero, right? Undefined. The return is undefined. Okay. Oh, so it'll be divided by store dot goal. Yeah, I think store dot goal. Okay. Store dot goal, or I guess 100. So it always you can at least something returns always 100. Argument of type number is not assignable to parameter of type something something. And really read that. We're going to calculate the goal. Okay. I could calculate it within here. So when I call goal reached or what, I guess we need goal reached and goal and goal at the water level at 60% or whatever. And that would be based on if the amount drank, so that'd be the total divided by the goal is greater than or equal to 60%. But yeah, let's do that. So get water at 60. So return what do we do a derived value. Felt derived. We have a writable completed to derived. Or if I go where I go let's say derived and I put in using existing store, the second is the function that calculates derived data from the current store value. Oh well, I have multiple writables. All right, so if I put in I'm making this complex on my own, I wonder. So derived is we want to put in our, I guess, this dot goal. Or can I use like I guess I could probably try to see if I could use like another store value. So I have to dos and I have and return I guess say so okay, so if not this, so if there's not mm, no, what am I doing? Start total. So if there's no if there's no there's not this dot goal or not this dot total, I guess I want to return false. Otherwise, I want to return. I want to get if this dot goal divided by and this dot total is 100. greater than or equal to 75, I guess. So 75%. I wonder if this works. A lot of errors though. Not finding dollars. Does this work? Oh no, this didn't need two. Not find name. It's not for you to find me. So let's see how if this messes up. So I have ooh, stored at water level, water at 60, water level 60 maybe. That's what it's called. Water level at 60. Oh, at 75. Really? Probably change it to 60. No, let's change it to 60. Okay, let me see. At what height would this? Okay, the air is there right now. Let's leave it at 75 for now. But I think that would be above it already. Level at 75. So if I guess this is the water level. Ooh, air binding pattern. Yep. Did I say it? Yeah, still same. It'll be the same there. Figured so. Figured. Mm, was right here. Okay. Unexpected token. No, this is based on. I know it's based of the new. All right, let's see. I know. Yes. Yeah. We were trying to. Okay, let me see. What if I don't include it? If I wanted to use it, but I don't need to. Still same error. It's gonna be the same thing. Nope. Let's try. It's gonna be the same error. Why is it? Property total does not exist on no, that's not the issue. So we have our store value, this dot total. Okay, what if I have instead of the dollar sign, let's use the get. Probably what I should have used instead. Oh, there it is. Okay, so I changed this to 60. Okay, if it's greater than, oh well, the goal is hasn't been reached yet, so it's not going to change anything. 1800, 75% of it would be like about 1200 maybe. So it would have been like 200. It should have changed to white, right? Water level at 75. I mean console log. Water level at 75. What does that mean? Undefined. Okay, let me see if you want to know. And if I subscribe to it, I think I'm subscribing to it, right? Like this. Still undefined. Okay. How am I getting it then? Water at look like that derived value. How does it work? Let me see store. So return false, I would think. I mean, return the value. Subscribe. So we're subscribing to it, except so if we're subscribing to it, we should be able to get it, right? Maybe? Or wrong thing. No, it's gonna be the same subscription issue with subscribe method. Okay, what if instead I get that value instead and then subscribe to it? Okay, the issue is all for these ones I can just return them and then I can subscribe to them. For Derived Store, how do I subscribe to it? I don't subscribe to it at all, right? So what if I just use store.value? I mean here, Water level. Okay. If I put stories on water level, but I can't access store from there. Oh, oh, it just didn't have water level. So cannot find name. Wait, what do you mean you can't find the name? Yeah, I assume it's still undefined. Water level, water doesn't mean so. Yeah, it's already passed. Okay, so all right. So maybe instead of having individual stores for each one, because it seems crazy that I have to get each one. I could just make it an object. I could do that. And then this way for derived, it'll be easy to get the derived value. 'Cause otherwise I don't know how to get the derived value. Not sure how to use the derived store. I need computer values, which is true. Okay, so you have derived width and height. Okay, so okay, so maybe I did this wrong. So you can subscribe to multiple stores. They start total and they start goal, right? Then you take the values of it. Okay, so no, I guess I can't do it like that. I have to get it inside. So I subscribe to both of them. So if I get those values and there's no goal value set and there's no total value set, just return false. Otherwise, check if they are both They're both about 75%. Yeah, and using this to subscribe to it already, right? Water level is 75. So if I change this to okay, let's undefined. Oh, okay. I'm missing something. Let me see if I go to let's try this. Yeah, let's try writing it here. This exact same thing. Let's instead of derived. Let's subscribe to it. Okay, so it'd be return. Oh no, this part area equals derived. Okay, so this would Nope. Okay. It's already above it. Okay. So, oof. Okay, let's try this. I'm using Ask Chat GPT, man. The chat open. Chat dot open. What is this open? Chat dot open. AI. Oh, they just changed it to Chat GPT. Okay, that's new. Okay, so let's say I have two sprout stores, goal and total. I want to cal to subscribe to percentage of completion. Completion, which would be goal divided by total times 100. Derived star. All right, I have that. Calculate percentage completed. Derived goal and total. If total equals 0, return 0. Otherwise, return goal. Oh, let's see. Percentage completion. How do I use it? Percentage completion. How's it different than what I did? Let's try again. Derived store.goal and store.total. And I don't really need to get those values first. How does it, so if, also I guess if, so if not get store or, what's it called? No, let's put goal equals store.goal. Same thing for total. Okay, so let's go back. So if no, there's no point in doing that because we started. Okay, let's go back. So if not total, then that would account for if it's undefined or zero, really, or not goal turn false. Otherwise, it should be total divided by goal times 100. Oof, 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 oof. The strike used to get. So what about what 1200? The right hand side of an arithmetic must be of type any number big into. Yeah, I already checked. You're right. You know what? Let's consult the log it then. What is total and goal at this point? No, let's get rid of all these other console logs. I think this. I don't need to worry about this anymore. Total 100, goal 1800. Total 200. Okay, so it's not changing. All right. So what happens at the beginning? It's 100. So it should be able to at 1600. It's above the percentage. Not even at 600. I'm like 1200 maybe. That's seems like it's three quarters of the way. I go by 600. No, 600 times two would be 1800. That's a third of the way at 12. I mean, two-thirds of the way at 1200. So I have to be at like 1500, 1600 to get 75%. So the color should change. Total divided by goal. Let's change. The left-hand side of an arithmetic value. Total, if not total or total equals 0, so I have to check if total equals 0 or goal equals 0, return false. What's going on here? Why is this still showing up? The left-hand side of an arithmetic value cannot be something. I don't know what this is trying to say. Must be of type any big int number or okay, let me just force it to be a number. At this point, we know it's a number if it's oh, okay, so maybe let's not parse it. Let's just it's gonna be number. I think parsing needs to be what's it called? String values. That's- Let's see. I'm expecting it to change to a lighter color, like 75%, right? It's still at 0, so at 75% of 1800. So soon it's gonna be like at 1500 maybe milliliters. Nope, nothing changed. So we're not getting. Let's look at this value. Gold divided by percentage or whatever percent. Wait, when did it change to? Oh wait, what am I multiplying it by? Okay, so I go total divided by goal times 100. Like 833, right? So ooh, ooh. All right, so I'm 83%. Goal at 1800, total at 2000. Okay, Why wouldn't that be higher now? Times 100 would be make it should still be over 110%. How many times? What is it? It's 100, right? So 111%. So this return total divided by goal. So if it's greater than or equal to 75, so it should be. I'm just wondering if this is showing that it's, let's see, water level 75 minutes. I promise this has to show. Well, it's logging it, so we know that it's increasing. And then 5%, 100%, 0. Should change colors. So 1400, that's when it should change colors to to white. Okay, so it starts at, oh wait, did I check if it's, what am I doing? What am I checking for? That, ooh, okay, so it's changing, it's being called, except here, here, when we're trying to console log it, not logging it. Let's try water level. Okay, so it logs at the beginning, but it never logs it again. Because let's see if we can log it every time. I think if it put place it inside of a watcher or a subscriber. I don't know what it's called. Come on. True. Okay, log true. So why isn't the color changing? Text like true if water level. Okay, you know what? Let's have it. Let's remove this at all and let's have it separate class. Text slate 600 equals not water level at 75. Or I guess we could just have it within the class. I'm not good. Okay. Let's just check it. We have it separate just to check. Oh, there it is. All right. Okay. Maybe you'll just have it inside. So here, how does that work? Water, water level at 75. Or we could have text slate dash No, no, I think I prefer this way. It's just it's it's good enough. It's crazy. Why doesn't this? Okay, let me try to move this back to get it from the store. Uh, Never required to be here. Let me go move it back and see what's the difference. If returns it, maybe that's the difference. Maybe it doesn't. It's not supposed to be returned. Let me comment this out first. So guest dot goal, guest dot total. I was undefined. Just return zero. It's not my problem. Not my problem. Oh, it works. Weird, 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 weird. Okay. That's just not my problem. Not my problem. I don't really need the goal now. So that's oh what I need is now to set this height to match the water level. That's what I want to get. So it'd be get water level. So, okay, so I need to get the water level would be the percentage. So it'd be the same thing. Get water level. We still use the same derivation. Instead, now we just want to get return the Water level would be, I guess, on a percentage of this, right? Yes, it would be the heights would be it's just this it would just be the same thing. So really wait, let me see. So maybe this would just be, water level at 75 would just be returning, if getting to the water level is greater than 75. Yeah, why not just do that? See if that works otherwise, or maybe I have to. This cannot be applied to readable. What do you mean? Okay, so I don't want to return false. Yeah, well, return 0, I guess. Return 0 or return 0. Yeah, I think that should fix it. I don't know what this rule is saying. Cannot be applied to types readable. Number. Can't I read this value? So return. I want to check it twice. But I need to be able to look at this number. You know what? Let me. Let's not worry about it. Maybe. Let me comment this entire thing out. Wait. If I go back here and I go water level, go down water level and let's go water level and 75, it'll be the same thing. Yep. Okay, I think that's measures up, and that would give me the percentage I need. So height would be what? Water level. How do I be something like this? And then percent sign. Would that work? Oh, it starts at no. Let me see what the height is on it. What is it? 94%. There, right? If it's 94%, why isn't it like 100%, 105%? Okay, we'll look at that. So for if I put height at 87%, okay, but why doesn't it work in here? Let me edit this. Edit attribute, and let's set it to 94%, and remove this. We able to use percentage values in Tailwind. Tailwind, let's quick search height. Okay, height 96. These are on a fixed height. I want a percentage height. Height screen. How do I set custom height is going to be, wait, okay, there's sizing in there. She will decide like custom height values, arbitrary values. No, not from here. Here. Why isn't this clicking? Okay, height 32 RAM. Doesn't make sense to include in your theme. Use square brackets, generate a property on the fly using any arbitrary value. So yeah, you should be able to set 344 spacing, but maybe you can't use, has to be pixels. What if it's yeah, you know what? Let me try like putting the actual 87% here. See if that sets it. That's 87%. Okay, let's try like this is 57. I didn't change it. Let me try reloading this. $57%? Yeah, I think that's halfway, a little bit past halfway, 60%. All right, so now the question is, how do I set the height? Okay, what if I have it dynamically set? So it'd be maybe class. No, I don't see how it's going to be set. Okay, let's try CSS. Let's check Tailwind. Use percent as height. You can use, okay, maybe. Select unit tile only work when the parent element have a corresponding property applied. Where is this? Okay. Um, all right, so let me set this. Let's try setting this height. Instead of full, it should be the height of the pop-up itself. I have it at in the index.html. I have it think set as 150 pixels. So if we have it set as that, and now let's change this back to what is it? Water level. Add the percent sign around it, outside of it. Let's see if that fixes it. Nope. Oh wait, it's zero. No, it's not going up. It should be increasing with the water level, right? Okay, well, it's showing it's increasing, 61%. The height is the style itself. Hey, it doesn't show the height here. Height. Okay, let me try. Let's try virtual height. Does that work? No, okay. But okay, let me just use style. Style, so it'd be height would equal, oh, how does this work? Height would equal to water level percentage. Hopefully this works. I think I use something similar to this in a similar situation. Oh, why? Easy. This works. But adding a class, well, I don't want to add a class for. How do I set? Yeah, I should be over here already, but it's not changing the height at all. Okay, so tailwind dynamic class. Okay. Not really dynamic classes. What I want is more of height class, maybe. Okay, let me try to find what I did in a different project. If I can recall the project name. Let's see. What would it be? What would it be? Let's see. Maybe swallow. And, uh, let me see. Routes? No, it wouldn't be routes. Components. Decluttering. Right. Okay. Let's see. In slider. You know what? Let's try it. If I have app.css and I have, what is it called? Parse. So let's call this class a wave, and the height, set the height to be a variable. Uh, what would it be? Right? I think first. So if I have, I don't know how to mute. So I'm about to blow my nose, man. Oh wait, here's mute. Okay, so all right, so we set a class of wave, right? That works at all. And so in our class, in our whatever styles, or we want to pass in that variable where we have dot height would be the water level percentage. It would apply to the wave, I think, if I recall, or maybe not. Zero, zero, Oh, man. Am I missing? Oh, did I not? Okay, that's okay. So, um, yeah, I made a mistake somewhere. Source. What does source look like? Sources. Okay, so let me try this again. Power. Oh, there it is. Mm, mm. Excelente. Oh, we're almost there, really. What else? Yeah, so that solves it for us, really. And what else do we need? We might as well include the goal somewhere here. We have where is this? Oh, 2100. Maybe it's enough. All right, let me see. This 150. No, this height is longer than 150 pixels. I'm thinking about it because if this is 300, this height, if you translate it, it's like, is it half? I don't think it's half. It's gotta be long height. Oh, I guess it's right. It's showing that it's 300 by 150, or not. Or maybe it's the bottom part that's not. Why does it show? Maybe this part is not is longer than 300. But that's 92. If this height is 92, and this is almost, I mean, like your 180 and looks like it's not even half of it. 90 plus the 45 plus 50. No, this is longer. Yeah, 300 by this is 191, right? This padding. Okay, let's remove this has a padding, this has a padding. Yeah, that's why. So you're adding 24 pixels of the extra 24 pixels and then extra 24 pixels, which you don't need. Let's what if instead we have this padding like all the way around? Instead and remove this padding here, and that means this has to be like maybe absolute. I want it to be like fully outside and take the full width. So it'd be like left to 0 maybe. Yeah, so typically I have solved it, except gap X maybe 4. No, there will be a gap Y. You don't need a gap Y. Why is this height? Okay, let's have this margin bottom of 4 just for some kind of separation. Okay, so for this I think it's like I need, what is it? Math, math or min, I guess. I guess I want it to be always at least like 5% maybe. Wait, maybe max? Yeah, it should be. So, so at least it always shows blue. That makes sense. Maybe even less, maybe like 3%. Okay, at what point? Okay, so 75% is not it. Ooh, let's say it's at, let's do like 70%. 7%. No, it's more like 65%. Probably even 60%. Okay, because it's kind of looking like it should be. Ooh, yeah, I don't know. Either I use like a lighter color or what is this? Uh, okay, maybe different colors. Let's say no. All I if I could split the color in half, like if I could bisect it at a point. Okay, that's fine enough, I think. All right, so we still never got to the waves. Let me just save this. What are I really doing here? Okay, so and uh, Taurus index. What did I do? I guess I added a call property here. Clear this. Okay, so I guess I'm go water level properties to store. And this one would be adding, I guess, a wave, or what is it called? Because it's basically just a style passing the height, then just retrieving and setting this. That's one way I found to apply like like store values as a property in the style. Otherwise, I think in the class it sets it up once unless you have it set as dynamic or something. I don't know. I'm not gonna worry about it too much. Water level height, and the default, this is mostly related to um, think water level with think no sync what's called sync wave no yeah sync water div sync water div with water level. I don't know how to explain it, which is fine. I don't think people even look at old commits like that. This Cosmo had to get changed. I don't know. Black stays the same, but the grayish ones. I could just leave it as full black. Maybe this has to change as well. But I like it like that. Okay. All right. So 2 hours right now. It's now close to 1 a.m. So are we going to get to implementing waves? This looks cool because it's like three different. It's a wavy motion, but like I'm not worried about this JS because this JS is just for mostly this, right? I don't care about that. This a lot of, but most of it's copper related. So if see how much styles I need for just the air part. So you have a section and air, right? So only, I guess everything else above here, I could delete or maybe not. Yeah, not the body and stuff, but the cups. I don't need the cups. Okay, I'm not gonna change it, but let me just maybe remove the UI. Okay, so I have this section, air. want to see how much code it actually is for this wave animation. Okay, so it looks like it's section. No, oh, there's four of them. Air one. Okay, let's see. Maybe I don't need all four. Yeah, maybe yes, two. So if I remove three and four, does that how much code is I really? So for air section air and air one, let's see if I set hyperclick. No, no, why is it getting repeated like that? Not bottom 10%. Okay, let's have background wave documents. What is this background? You know, I'm not worried about that. This might just be easier to implement. Bubble one, bubble, yeah. So I want bubbles and keyframe liquid fill is what I really want. Liquid fill. Okay, I'm not gonna do that yet. This is gonna be a separate UI that I want to implement. Maybe instead of this, I'll have something like just this part is be-sided. But what did I want? I want this rising thing, this undulating motion, and it's it seems like it's easier. I don't know if I need the rise. Let me see if I maybe I just have the rise once. Yeah, from if you click on it, it'll rise to that level, but then it'll stay on it if you keep adding whatever to distract. But every time you open it, then it'll rise to that level. Yeah, so let's try that. So you have wave. It already has those stylings. Oh, that's right. I already had a good spot. I don't know what this means. Animation wave. I think it's bound to some kind of transitions, but to apply, I'm not gonna worry about that right now. Let's just see that this gets applied as intended. I'll apply keyframes to it. I don't know how to do this in. Oh, what am I using? Wave 4 seconds. Oh no, this is before. Animation wave. This is the animation rise. So I don't probably even need this right now. So I need background, bottom. Yeah, let's add the rest of this. The width, I'm not gonna add the width, or it's gonna be 100%. And height is already set. Ooh, yeah, a slower wave would be nice. Let's try like 7. All right, so let's delete this until we get to here. Let's change this to, or what is this, 6, 7? All right, so we have the wave. Where is this? Okay, let me just actually just move the entire thing. Maybe I don't even need a background color. Just want to set a picture image, right? Ooh, maybe not. Ooh, no, it's way too big. How's it setting that? Height with position. I had position what fixed maybe? Position absolute and I have height left at 0. No, this keyframe is like way. How do I make this feel smaller? Let me just test it. Yeah, why is it like move all the way out? Keyframes, margin left. Oh no! Oh no! See, this is why. Um, it'd be at like 150 pixels, or no? But what would it be? Animation runs, animation height. keyframes rise, margin left. It's half of the height, right? This is 38 and 19 times 2 is 38. Yeah, and it's half the height. So it'd be margin left negative, what, negative 150? No, negative 75. 75 times 2 is 150. Yeah, yeah, that math seems right. What? Oh, no, it's 300. The width is 300, so it'd be negative 150. I had it right, I think. It's not going good still. So wave is it moving? Well, okay, let's try change this position to absolute. It is absolute already. Okay. And width, I have to set a, let's try, let's set a static value. Yeah, I don't like that. Uh, okay, how do I need to somehow, which one was it? This. Okay, let's see. How do how did I do it here? Let me see. I think I have keyframes somewhere. Did I use the model? One of the styles had keyframes and some kind of motion. Maybe it's not in this. Which one would have used a keyframe? Which project? Um, some would use a keyframe. Yeah, okay, keyframes. Yeah, it doesn't really change anything. Is it just a height? Like, why is it so? Why is this height? Oh, why is this? The height doesn't matter. The width of the wave is the width of. Okay, let me see. If I move set the width to like 600. It moves. I don't want it ever outside of the screen. Like, so if I stretch this, oh, so it would clip. So how do I? And so if it's maybe 300, if I make it larger than the width of the pop-up, maybe it'll never end. It always looks like it's going forever. No, it still go. Oh, 600 pixels. I need to reload. Let's reload it. I don't want hot module. Great, it's not showing. Why does this? Why isn't it long enough? Okay, let's move this to be, yeah. Let's move everything else to be here, and waves should have a height of like 200 pixels, maybe. No, not 200. Like 50 pixels. Oh, great! It's not even showing. So, and when we apply that style to wave and then waves, or maybe in the margin left. What if I make it smaller, like 30? Oh, what if I change it to 0? What am I doing? No, it needs to keep moving across. Oh no! Oh no! Wait. So okay, sorry. I think it's because I'm probably not alternating it, maybe, or it's not running infinitely. Okay, so wait, 5 seconds linear. So maybe if I make it the okay, it's not running at all. To calculate maybe how long it would take to go all the way up. Okay, let's change this to like 32 seconds. And let's have it take like 7 seconds. No. Oh, this is even worse than before. At least So if I have like 1800 pixels and I put minus 900, what does that mean? Why is it working? Okay, so no, that won't work. Yeah, I still want 7 seconds. And let's go like 300 pixels. But it barely takes like 2 seconds for that to work. To go across the entire width. Why? It seems like it goes on forever. What am I missing? Okay, let's try. What is this? Let's keep the background and let's have the waves. So you have the same. Okay, wait, what? What happened there? And this would be that index -5 maybe. I want it to be above the blue, or they should be the same. Wait, why is it causing? No. Okay, maybe it should be inside instead of this being a closing. Animations. What am I missing? I'm missing something. Repeat X, whatever that means. Okay, so I have a class called Wave and keyframes. Wave. And then the margin left is the width of this, whatever, after width. It's like 0. Is it possible? Does it have like other behavior? Loading a script? No. This is just it, right? Charts, wave, your position absolute, bottom 0 with whatever it is. Like say if I put 3840 pixels, right? And I change this width to what 1940, 1920 pixels. But that's all it. The same. Oh, whoa. Yeah, I guess. Yeah. I guess it works. I kind of like it. It's probably based on the size of the image. Or SVG. I don't know what it looks like. Let me see what this SVG looks like. You give it enough, like a large enough width, it'll always have enough second to keep repeating, I guess. I think. And it's not like anyone's going to keep this. Oh no, it's just this, right? So it's just like I guess stretching it, moving it out. That's what it's doing. Just keep dragging it every 3 seconds, maybe. Depending on how what you set it to. Let's change to like 5, maybe. I want smaller waves. It doesn't seem smaller. Gentler waves. Yeah, maybe I can try to make it. Oh, let me see this. Get waves. So if I want, no, I need waves. How do I edit this? Ooh, that is crazy. Those are choppy waters. I want It's smaller. Maybe this. Let me see what this looks like. It's gentle enough. It doesn't seem like too. Yeah, downloading it. Eh, I would have to host it or something. I don't know. Raw GitHub. How do I do this? Assets, favorite charts. Okay, now let me see. I think you should just be able to set it. Is that SVG as background image? As data image SVG. Use this. Okay, let me see. SVG import. Look at let me copy SVG code and all right. Hopefully that works. Maybe. Maybe just in case it doesn't. And it's repeat X. I mean the wrong color, but yeah, dude, it's probably smaller. What is the width? Let me see. I looked at it. That doesn't 140, 4440. So it'd be what 1440 pixels, and half of that would be is that 720? 1440. Yes, I think it's 720 pixels. Um, it seems weird. The timing is off. So if I go 7 seconds, 7 seconds, it's still off. But it seems like it's clipping. Oh, yeah. Where is it gonna end? It's not good. Oh, no, I want it to be what is this? Oh, then this is opacity maybe. Okay, oh, if I can get the color, um, seal. What was the color I was looking for? Doesn't really show the color, does it? Computed. Oh, RGB, a blue color, bluish color. I don't know what that translates to it. Yeah, okay, convert. No, it doesn't seem the same. Is that the same? Oh, well, let's take a sample of it and use a color picker. Well, it says it's the same color, I think. ADDE85, it's just the same. Doesn't look the same though. Oh, there. It's, maybe I just turn this entire thing off. So, oh, it's probably the same. Okay, let me see. I want, yeah, low waves, something like this, maybe. Copy SSD code and change this into a data URI. And we can look at yeah, 1440 still. So round and repeat X, whatever this means. We don't need this second one. See if that's any better. Nice and gentle, right? Oh, except maybe this goes, let's go back to 38, 40, and left of what, 1920? No, it's probably even with slower. No, 6 seconds. It's not as, Okay. It's not long enough. Okay, so it's scrolling. Let's drive like 540 and make the line that goes across smaller. Oh no. Well, that would fix it. Or no. How do I get it to not clip? Crazy because I don't need this dark reader inline fill styles. Yeah, sort of width or at least whatever it's supposed to be. Maybe it's not 1440. Let's try. Um, or like 720. No, it does clip. If it's 720, half of that, yeah, it'd be like 310, right? Oops. No, it wouldn't be. It would be like 370, 50 700 and 720. No, maybe 365, 370. Oh, it would be fractional units. 350 would give you 700. 720 would be like, oh man, my mind is gone. Three, okay, let's say it would be 370. I don't really care. It's not exact. All I need is this to stop. What is this width? So I need it to be like To go left, I needed to not go past, like, maybe 5, 7, or maybe it's supposed to be the opposite way where it's I'm not sure, because I want it to be single see, it's like, it's not long enough or something, but it should be, I think. Oh, man, I might have to just use the 3840. It's not as long as it you know what, what is this width? Let me see. 1920 is so oh, wait a minute. Width is 1920, so the set that's the okay, so let me try this opposite way. If this is should be negative 1440, and this would be twice of 1440, which I'm not gonna try to do in my head right now. 2880. I could have done that, but maybe that's the solution. Oh no, it's not. Why is it not clicking or whatever? Like this doesn't make sense to me. It gave you the width and the dimensions. Do I have to set it? Okay, so here we have the view box 1440, right? Maybe that's like the width. And the height equals 320. Yeah, I think the issue is that no, it's the same. It has still the like if you decrease the size, it still ends in a chopped off. Yeah, let me try. What is this? What is this? Copying this exact and pasting it here. Boy, why didn't I when you adding it? We just had one that was like almost level. Now that means 100% or what? But this the one I was using, right? Wait, let me look. Let's go back to the original. Right. Right. Now the waves aren't working at all. Mm, go back and see what the original. Or trying to muck things up using Yeah, this is too hot. So the bottom should not be like really oh wait, tight here. I decided so that it always at least shows like a blip of a wave. I don't know that it's showing it. So if I have 100 milliliters, it should show a wave. Oh, you're halfway there, so it shows. No, the waves did never reach the halfway point. Okay, maybe try not going like all I probably need just the section where it doesn't like go all the way down. Maybe I could get like a shorter 960 maybe. Yeah, so don't know if we're getting any closer to it. It's, I kind of like the waves, but I don't like the reach it goes. I'd rather have it just go like a subtle like this. It's too much. 'Cause you can't tell right away like the current level. If it was, yeah, this I would have to probably create my own. AirPods are dying at like 10%, so and this doesn't really give you the option to give you like a small wave. Well, this one does, but maybe we'll see how to maybe like cut this off like right here. Let me see what this entails. No, that doesn't really, yeah, maybe something like this. No, but it just keeps going down. Uh, oops, oops. It drops it too. Yeah, maybe something like that. Something small like that. We'll come back to it tomorrow. I'm gonna end the stream right here. So tomorrow probably get this finished, the waves, and then what else do we need to do? Notifications and alarms, and like maybe a sound for the alarm. I'm gonna have to change this maybe. Maybe change this into like a buoy icon. I think I like that better. You gotta keep the nautical theme. We'll see. All right. So that's it for the today. To, well, today. Then it's 2 o'clock already. Today, we gotta come back today later on today. It's fine. I probably don't even go to sleep until like 4 or 5. So yeah. All right. 3:24. Gonna end the stream right now.